Guys, welcome. Take your seats, please. I know it's been so long we haven't uploaded anything here. Actually, I was busy with college work and some of the projects which I had done in the last trimester within the 8 months. Also, now I have started my internship. So, let's see how the whole thing goes hand in hand, creating content plus internship and all. Everything will manage out. We will figure it out, but we'll keep uploading the great stuff for you all, that's for sure. So first things first, why did I change my channel name? Actually, I already had some plans regarding this channel. I didn't want to limit this thing. My ultimate aim is to share all those skills which I have learned with you so that you all can get the benefit. And I learned design in my past 8 months, so I wanted to share all the design knowledge as well with you. Whatever things I had learned about the UI UX design or anything related to design, graphic design, anything, so I wanted to share all those things with you. So I decided to not to limit this channel to only sketching and start to create content on design, or it will be more like a universal thing. Means whatever skills I have learned, I will share it with you and you all can take maximum benefit from it. So I think now it's enough to give a short intro again, and let's dive into our video. So today we will talk about design. In design, it's important to clear your basics in the beginning. It is very necessary for you to brush up your basic skills in design so that you can create a good product or a good UX for your target audience or for your persona. So to brush you all with that, today you will get to know the 3 must-read books every designer must read when they are starting in a design career. So which are those 3 must-read books you all should know and you all should read while going into design? So 3 books for UI UX designers. Yes, let's begin. The first book which everyone talks about and which is indeed a great book, that is The Design of Everyday Things by Nielsen Norman, who is called as father of UX. It's a great book to start with the design, and Nielsen Norman has precisely articulated all those things which you all should know before getting into design. So we'll tell you 1-2 lines about it and the rest you can check it out or read. This book is specially for beginners of design. If you are starting with design, if you are a newbie, then pick this book up first. One point which was mentioned in this, which I had also thought of, was how bad experience of push and pull doors are. When it's to push, it should be flat, whereas when it's to pull, there should be more like a handle that you can pull. Unfortunately, it's not like that. Every time you get confused and frustrated whether it's to push or whether we have to pull it. And also sometimes it's funny when you see other people doing it. So the ultimate aim of a designer is to create a great product, not only good looking product, but a greater experience within it. So these are some of the things which have been mentioned in this book, The Design of Everyday Things. You all should read this book. It is indeed a very good book to start with in a design field. Also, if you are not a designer, then no issues, you can read it and you should read it. So yeah, second book which I must talk about is Don't Make Me Think by Steve Krug. Whatever. Unlike the principles of design, this book leans more towards the common sense approach to UX, with the crux being like if the user has to think about any action, then the UX can be improved. Also, he explains that the design you create should be familiar with the users. It should not be you are reinventing the wheel and it's something new to the user. If you try to reinvent the wheel, sometimes it becomes revolutionary, but to keep users familiar with the design is or should be the main motto. And it's not necessarily all about fewer clicks are the best. What's more important is where the click takes you and how difficult the task is. 3 clicks are better than 1 click that leads to nowhere. So Don't Make Me Think is also one of a great book which you all must read. It's really amazing. You all must go through it and you must read this book. Also, all of the links will be placed in the description box so that you don't need to go and search again for the book or the author name. So I've placed the links in the description box. You all can buy it from there, or else if you want to gift it to your designer friend, then you can do it by clicking just on the link given in the description box. Then the third book is Hooked: How to Build Habit Forming Products by Real Cashback. Here he talks about the trigger to get a customer to a reward, something that surges a hit of dopamine. The action shows there is a reward and how to obtain it. For example, with posting a photo on a social media like Instagram, Facebook, wherever, you get likes, which is in the form of reward. The action has to be possible and easy to use so that there are no obstacles for a reward. And also the reward should not be repetitive, it should vary accordingly so that the user won't lose interest. And lastly, making a user invest in your product, not only with the money but only with time. Essentially, the more time a user gives to a product, the more they give value or they see value in it. In the book, this is referred to as the IKEA effect, by a consumer investing in a product by spending time building it, and then they value and appreciate it more. So these are some of the things which has been mentioned in this book, How to Build Habit Forming Products by Real Cashback. So you all should also read this book. So these are 3 books that you must read if you are getting into a design career. Not necessarily for designers, anyone can read this book to understand how things work, but it's a necessity for designers to begin with. And all of the links are placed in the description box. You all can buy it from there. Yes, so that's it for today. I hope this video gave you some information, some valuable content. If yes, if you feel this video is helpful, then do give it a like and comment your views. It really motivates me when you hit a like button. It indicates that I am doing something better and I should continue it. So just give it a like and comment your views, honest views, whatever you think about this video, about this channel, anything, you can mention it in the comment section. Also, if you are new here, then consider subscribing for more such content. Hit the bell icon so that you won't miss anything. And yeah, so that's it for today. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Take care.